Hello everyone and welcome to the latest episode of Pavement Matters, brought to you by Pavement Management Services. Pavement Matters is the show where we discuss all things related to pavement engineering, both past, present and future.
Welcome to Pavement Management Services. We're an Australian-based civil engineering consultancy in the field of road asset management. We're a high-tech consultancy and different to many because we have the data collection capabilities to make the most informed decisions for our clients. In order to explain what we do, it's probably a bit easier if I use the whiteboard. And the first thing I'd like to just show you is something that you're probably all familiar with. If we look at pavement condition over time, we know that pavements deteriorate in a non-linear fashion. So in the first 5 years of a pavement's life, there's a fairly small deterioration in quality. We know that it accelerates out to the 15-year mark, and by the time we hit 20 years, it asymptotes, and that's the end of the useful life. Basically, the concept is, in asset management, if you can do smaller, more frequent treatments, it's much more cost-effective than having to reconstruct your road asset at the end of its useful life, or its first useful life. The reason why you understand a lot of this today is because my father was one of the first people to actually analyse how roads deteriorate over time. In particular, he was looking at the methods and modes of pavement failure and came up initially with these curves from studies he did at the University of New South Wales and University of California, Berkeley, under Professor Carl Monesmith. These studies obviously are very important to governments, road owners and agencies all through the world because we need to understand how to maintain our road infrastructure in a safe and serviceable condition, and especially as a lot of the roads constructed were built in the 1940s and the 1950s and are now at the end of their useful life and do not have the design for the weights and volumes they're expected to carry today. So Pavement Management Services works firmly in this area of road asset management, different to other engineering consultancies, because we have the equipment to make the most informed decisions for our clients.